Okay, starting out a little lower on the battery, 96%. But let's just go on ahead and do a range test. And I'm going to shoot a little on the darker side here. I'm not trying for anything great with the camera. It's a very overcast type day. But you can just see the grid line here and the bottom of the land up ahead. We've got a pretty good horizon line up right there, so we're going to kind of reference that. But here's the wind conditions. The wind is blowing right at us at the moment, and I'm going to take it up in height as we go, running in standard 9.8 meters a second. The reason I'm running a little darker here is just because I've not been crazy about some of the camera images I've been getting using filters. So today I'm just using CPL, running on the darker side, and then I'm going to just kind of play with it. But for this video, it's nothing about image quality. It's all about range. So let's see what we get. Generally, I line up about right here. Wind is calmed. We're running right at 10 meters a second, 89% battery, and 1,200 meters out. As we get closer or further out this way, we can raise up in altitude just based on the terrain. There's higher. So as long as that signal stays, we're going to raise up a little bit here when we hit land. If we don't make it that far, then we have to come back, but by the looks of it, I think we're okay. Approaching 4,000 meters and 76% battery. Good to go still. And I think I'm a little too far to the left because I'm going to end up behind a mountain. I think it's about right there that I normally go. It's been a while, guys. Today's the first day. I've been out here flying without a jacket, and the wind has been decent. We got some sunshine, but it's so covered in cloud. More hazy than anything. So it's not the perfect conditions for setting up camera, but I'm more interested in kind of editing something a little bit in post. Okay, so here we can go ahead and climb up now. And altitude has been reached. Let's change that. I didn't realize that was set. Let's stop. I can't open up my settings. That's going to kill me right there. Is it because I'm recording? Let's stop recording. Okay, so now we're recording, and that killed a little bit of battery, but now I can go up. I didn't realize I couldn't go into regular settings while flying. Radio signal's starting to drop a little bit here. And I think I can safely, if I recall, safely hit 200 plus meters, but we'll go to 200 meters here. And I'm going to cut to the right just a hair. Right now it's all about trying to keep that radio RC signal going. 5,000, and we got 69% battery. I'm generally very happy with range if I can hit that highway right there. RC signal still about halfway, and 63% battery. We have one warning of my RC signal dropping out now. Let's see if I can adjust. That dropped fast. 67, and I've just picked up some. I've never made it to that pond before. And we're dropping. I could easily go up in altitude here, but I'm going to leave it alone. Let's go over this pond. See if just moving to the right a little bit, see if that helps. 7,000 meters. And aircraft disconnect. We just lost out. Let's hope she's turning around and coming home. Okay. Okay, so now she is returning home. And we have 58% battery. Coming back 10 meters a second. That's good. And we're losing signal again here. Trying to line up here, guys. As long as I see that distance counting down, I'm happy, but we don't have any video feed at all. The telemetry is working. Everything appears to be working. I just have not hit my signal. Trying to adjust by walking around here. There we go, just picked it up. Let's see if I can stay right here and keep it. And we're dropping out again. We'll move over a little more. So that wasn't bad. That was a pretty good distance right there. Now this is where, coming back, this is where the horizon is really hard to judge. And then you'll see once we get over the water, as I turn right, once I take control of it again, you'll see how the horizon changes. I'm going to say it might be off a little to the left, but it's hard to tell. When you look at the water and the land in the forefront here of the water, it's pretty hard to tell. We are definitely going towards the left some here. We're 5,400 meters out, 51% battery. So again, okay, look at the water here, and I'm going to get to this point right here, and then I'm going to turn right, and I think that horizon is straight on that end if we face that mountain there. So I'm going to just do a hard turn just to see. No, it's the other side. Let's fly over there, and what I'm going to do is point to the other side where the farms are, and I'll show you that horizon, and that'll definitely tell us what we got here. So let's go ahead and start to turn around, face the other side, and see how that horizon looks. So you'll see it go down to the left over here, and then as I keep going, you'll see it'll be straight. Let's go ahead and move fast, and we'll point up where the farms are up there. That's usually that's usually my best judgment right there to show the horizon. Let's bring it to where we're right there in our little grid, and I'd say that's pretty accurate. So again, it's just hard to tell here. Let's put a little more horizon back there. It's a little hard to tell, but we're at 25% battery now. So let's go ahead and just bring her in and land her, and call this range test done and a success. Slow it down and start lowering. Get over those trees. Okay, everybody, so ending the video here, I'll just end in saying thank you for watching, and hit that thumbs up on your way out. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'd greatly appreciate it, and as always, hit the bell for future content notifications, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace and love.